Question number 6. In figure 6.44, the side QR of a triangle PQR is produced to a point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at a point T, then prove that angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. Okay. So, what is given here that you have to write, and what you are going to prove, that is also you have to write it from the question. This is a given figure. Here what is mainly given to you? QT is the bisector of angle PQR. Okay. Bisector means the angle which is divided equally into two parts. That means QT which divide the angle PQR. That means these two parts are equal. So I am taking this is x, this is also x. Then RT is the bisector of PRS angle. So this RT which divides the angle PRS into two equal parts. Therefore I am taking this is y, this is also y. So, proof. Angle PQT is equal to angle PQR, which is equal to x I have taken. Write it, let angle PRT is equal to angle TRS is equal to y I have taken. You know that suppose in a figure triangle is given to you, two properties you can use. The first one is angle sum property, another one is exterior angle property. Here I am going to use exterior angle property. So now write first. Suppose I am taking PQR triangle. What is the exterior angle of this triangle? This is 2 times of angle y. So suppose I am taking this is a triangle. What is the exterior angle? This is 2 times of y. So write it here. In a triangle PQR, the exterior angle, that is 2 times of y, which is equal to exterior angle, which is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. What are the interior angles here? This is x plus x and angle P I am going to take. 2 times of y, which is equal to 2 times of x plus P. Y by exterior angle property. Okay. Next one. See, suppose I am taking a triangle QTR here. Suppose this triangle I am taking. What is the exterior angle? Y. In a triangle PQR, what is the exterior angle? Angle Y. Angle Y, which is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. What is the sum of opposite interior angle for angle Y? X plus angle T. X plus angle T. Understood? Once again I am telling, this is also by exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle which is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. See, suppose y is exterior angle. What are the interior angles are here? Angle x plus angle t. Suppose if you are taking this is exterior angle, that is 2 times of angle y if you are taking. What is the interior angles? 2 times of angle x plus angle p. That only I have written. Okay. In the place of y, I can write it x plus angle t, because my proof is what? Angle t, which is equal to half of angle p. So, I need in my proof angle t and angle p. See, I am taking this, keeping the y value in equation number 1. Okay, so write it, substitute y equal to x plus angle t in equation number 1. Okay. 2 into y value. What is the y value? X plus angle t, which is equal to 2 into x plus p. Okay. 2 into x, what it is? 2x 2 into angle t, that is 2 times of angle t, which is equal to 2x plus t. See, check that LHS and RHS side, both the sides 2x part is there, so it will be cancelled out. So what is left over? 2 times of t, which is equal to p. Multiplied by 2 goes that side, divided by 2. So t, which is equal to half of angle p. T means what? QTR. Angle QTR, which is equal to half of angle P means what? QPR. Hence proved. Okay. Very important question it is. Thank you.